Knowledge of how the finance and investment world work is very important. And we had discussed what we need to understand before declaration of dividend. We had made mention of some types of dividend payments. It could be non-cash and it could be cash, it could be scripts, it could be special dividend declaration and so many more. We want to examine critically practical issues that actually surrounds dividend payment and the like for the benefit of investors and accounting students alike or finance enthusiasts. So practically, when it comes to issue of share that look out for, number one is about the amount we like to retain, earning of our income that might be affected after we had paid out. So we need to consider that. Also, legal constraint, because some countries can have restriction on the maximum of dividend they can declare. We need to consider that. Even our liquidity must be considered. The liquidity of the company, like to consider, we were talking about our cash commitment. We must make and ensure that. And I'm going to give us another important information at our fingertips, especially for those of us that are on the investment side. There are some issues as per the dates involved in dividend processing, dividend management declaration that are very key and us maybe to get our money, to get our dividend, to process our dividend and the like. We need to ensure and know about the declaration date. The declaration date is the date the board actually announced the payment of the dividend. That is the dividend declaration date. It is very important. And also the record date, which is the date that the share registrar transferred the book and closed the book. The date in which the book are closed, which could be different from the year-end date. So some people will be like, they've declared share in my company that I bought into, but I've not received dividend and things like that. Check your declaration dates, check your record date importantly, and also note your payment date. The payment date is the date that your dividend transfer into your account. Now that everything has been digitalized, you should not expect check. I wouldn't know, maybe in your country. Let us know if you are still having check in form of dividend being written, but basically transfer into your account. So the declaration date, the book closure date, which we can call record date, and the payment date. These are actually different from the year end of the organization that you bought share from. From GJAMES Associate Gbenga, Olatunji has been speaking. Like us, subscribe, share, comment. We are value to life. We are value to your businesses.